York houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I was pink money, I can barely move. Ask about it.
Say like dang on from a sugar you just on top of the so he just wants to top, baby. He don't want to top, he just wants your mind.
Hey y'all, excuse how I look. Today's Sunday and I have some things to do, so I decided let me vlog. Y'all not gonna see this till next Sunday though. Today's Resurrection Day, Easter. So right now I'm getting ready for church and I'm like trying to rush to get ready for church. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all how to. I'm getting ready for church, so I'm gonna tell y'all the agenda for the day, and then we gonna go through the day. Church. I'm going to the cemetery to see my grandmother because they planted something for Easter, so we're getting to see it. Where me, my mom, my sister, my aunt are going to go see it. Then I have to retwist my hair because my hair looks terrible. I'm gonna try to do something for church, like just do something stupid, something. But I'm not trying to put nothing on my baby hair because I'm about to like. I don't feel like rewash out, not like none of that. I'm just gonna take these twists out. I'm gonna like fix it up for the week. What retwist? I gotta go to the grocery, get stuff to cook for the week, meal prep, and I'm juicing, so I'm doing that too. For breakfast, I had avocado toast and an iced chai tea latte with almond milk, 3 pumps of raspberry, 3 pumps of vanilla only. Yeah, so that's the agenda really for today, and then I'm gonna try to hit the bed early because I am tired. I didn't really get enough sleep yesterday because I was working at night just throw everything off. And then I got to the gym early in the morning, and then we back to the work week. So yeah, let me get ready for church. I'm gonna take y'all with me to church, get the word. And yeah, but I am definitely late. But I also came home 30 minutes before church. That's the time I got home. I got off an hour before church started. I don't want to go to the 12:30 service, so I could go to the 12:30 service. But I gotta leave by 2. Well, we leaving to go to the cemetery at 2. So I could go to the 12:30 service and be on time. But why do that when I could just, I don't know. Or maybe I could just get ready for church and then go to the 12:30 service. That's what it's given. I don't know. Because I'm tired, so I might fall asleep. I don't know. I don't make the rules. But I'll be back when I know something.
James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, big fun, top bump, yeah, that's a liability, big fun, hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, big fun, mask on, fuck it, mask on, big fun, mask on, fuck it, mask on, big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, photo maybe, I drive anything, buy my range, make them go insane. My guillotine, drink with melazine, taking beans, go to all the streams, let's go,
So I wanted to do a pedal bun, but I don't have the patience, and I probably don't even have enough rubber bands for it. So right now,
good morning, everyone. In your chair. A bunch of your favorite caramel.
Switch states, stretch down foreign place. Speech ain't no way, ain't no fucking way. No call the play, we didn't call the play. No rob the bank, we gon' rob the game. Then they gang, we gang, but they're not the same. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Rep the set, gotta rep the set. Gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big fun, mask on, fucking mask on. Big fun, mask on, fucking mask on. Big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big fun, mask on.
so I'm gonna be juicing. juicing. I have some like 100% pineapple juice in my fridge. I already made some juice last week. I just have to finish it. My beet looks so good. It's 11:23 right now. I'm about to eat some lunch. Some buffalo wings I got yesterday. I have my fruits here for my juice for next week too. Oh wait, I think I should use this one first because this lime is a little bit old. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make a juice. Juicing is good, so I recommend it. Yeah, I'll keep this one. Let me just put that one. Probably two could be fine. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna make dinner and then juice when I get back. But when I get back from the cemetery. But right now, I'm about to eat and get ready for church. Eat and then get ready for church. I'm gonna show you my fit, and then I'm gonna go to church. Then when I get back from church, I'm gonna change back into this. I wear this with some New Balances. I'm gonna show y'all. I just bought these. Super cute. Dad sneakers. Yeah. So I see y'all when I'm getting dressed. So got some fruits.
Happy Easter. Use your Happy Easter. That's what you say when you get up in the morning. Happy Easter.
This is my fit. It's just this dress from Pretty Little Thing. This jacket is also Pretty Little Thing. My Ricardo TC Nike boots, OGs, and my purse, my Goyard purse. So I'm on my way to church now, and I'm gonna leave in a few, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna be driving today, so I might vlog from there. So we upset with it. I'm with my jet. We driving today. I'm driving today, so yeah. We're gonna get my mom and my aunt. Then we're going to the cemetery, and then yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm at the cemetery now. Yeah, we drove here, whatever, and now I'm going home. Well, no, we're gonna get food and then going home.
Is there no handle on that side?
No, it's at the top.
Black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you.
So y'all, I made it back home. I went to put my laundry away, and that's it.
Black girl, you black girl, you black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you.
JP. My neck, my back,
So buttery brown.
my neck, my back, my back, my back. My neck, my back,
So
my back.
buttery brown. Oh my, oh my,
My neck, my back, my back.
oh my,
My neck, my back, my
oh
back.
my,
My neck, my back, my back. 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 My neck, my back, my back.
Black girl, you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you.
Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down.
there goes my,
Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down.
there goes my,
Black girl, you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you 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 black girl.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me cashes. Punch you like Bob Saget.